Hello all, welcome to Forest Biology. So here is a update about the first round allotment and the procedures from the KA website, that is the state counseling for the UG NEET and Ayush. So I'll just show you what and all to see and the steps to register and download the verification slip and how do you see the seat matrix and all. So this is the KA website as you all know, and just go to admissions UG NEET and the NEET thing will open. So they have already released the first round schedule and the seat matrix free structure, and they have the students who have registered for CET and they have no changes, and non-Karnataka candidates can just download the verification slip, and they have also already released the option entry for the first round. So first let us see the schedule. So this is the calendar of events for the first round allotment. So this year they are doing the medical, dental and Ayush courses together. So first thing is display of seat matrix and sign fee structure, which is already done on 29 January after 7 p.m. and you can download the verification slip after 11 a.m. from 29 January. Option entry by eligible candidates. So this is important and you have to keep in mind. So you can do the option entry from 29th yesterday 8 p.m. till 1st February 10 a.m. And the mock allotment results. This is not the exact allotment. This is just a mock allotment so that you can just get to know which college you'll be eligible, which college you might get. And if you're not interested in the college, you can change the priorities of your college. So this is just a mock allotment. Then you can change the option entry, rearrange everything from 1st February to 3rd February up to 10 a.m. Then the first round allotment results will be out on 4th February after 11 a.m. So the first round of allotment is nothing but the seat which you have got in the first round. So you have to exercise the choice, that is choice 1, choice 2, choice 3 or choice 4 for the given college. And if you are doing the choice 1 or choice 2, you can just pay the fees and download the admission order. And you have to deposit the original documents at KA along with one set of attested photocopies of all the documents only for choice 1 fee paid candidates. And the last date for reporting the college is 7th February before 5:30. So this is the calendar of events for the first round of allotment. So and the fee structure. Before that, I'll just tell you how to download the verification slip. You have to just give the user ID, password, and you can just enter the captcha, login, and you can download the verification slip. In that, you will have the secret key code, which is very important for the option entry. Next, the fee structure for this year remains the same as the last year. So for private seat, it is 9,81,956, and for the governments, this is for MBBS which I'm speaking. Government seat it is 1,28,746, and for BDS it is 6,66,023 for private and 83,358 for government seat. And there are few colleges which doesn't take the exact amount. So for the in the St. John's, the private seat is 6,73,930. They don't have any government seats, and these are other few colleges which charges extra, not the same amount as other colleges. That is 9,81,000. They have their own charges. So this is what it is given in this. After this, you can just look into the seat matrix. So there are few colleges added this year. That is these three colleges. The seats have increased in few, and the Chikballapur college is added this year. So you have a total of 3,058 seats, and you can just see your category seats in each college. In the same way for Ayush also, you can just look into this. They have given the they are doing the medical, dental and Ayush together this year. And next is the option entry. You can just put your CT number, the captcha. After this, you have to give the application number, secret key code, which you will get it from the verification slip downloaded, and it is unique for each one of them. And please do not share the secret key code key and you have to set your passwords, and then you can start doing the option entry. Option entry is nothing but the first college is the one which you want to join, and you can do how many you can apply for how many colleges you want, and please keep in the order is the first college is the top more priority for you, and the last college is the least, or you have some priority for that. So this is all about the update for the first round. Thank you all. Please like, share and subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss out any notifications. Thank you, and please let me know in comments if you have any doubts or if you want a video on any other update on the KA or MCC. Thank you.